people, we thank Baba God for another day. Baba God does allow see. Longest time, my people. Everybody celebrates Salah, everybody celebrates Easter, everybody just a jollificate. They don't tell when I did the streets ever since. We just there on the low for this part of the journey. But now we want to day on the full flow. Before I continue, I want to thank everybody who made on alert me, made on say, building vibes, where you enter, well on a day. We did can't wait, nothing up, nothing spoil. Happy new month to everybody. Happy new month of May. Everybody, May celebrants. We stand back as usual. But before I continue, my first greet everybody for the house. My thank you now for our patience. So today, the story when I go to yarn today, now about this issue of Naira abuse. This issue of say they spray money for party, EFCC they grab people. But of a truth, make truth no say me we not talk am. We don't see some people for this same country, maybe we did so for the same Nigeria, maybe they made abuse in Naira many times, you know, if we can't. As in like they see when they abuse in Naira. EFCC go your lock up, turn a blind eye, see them they see what they saw. But once the kind of people will just run the package, they go see matter talk, they go the grab the people. So you're gonna ask yourself, say, I hope they don't target one side of the country. May they target everybody. Anybody make duty, may they face the law. Normal. Because this issue of do they arrest some certain people and not do they arrest some certain people, come like discrimination when they enter and other things when they enter. Make we dey sincere to ourselves and make we target who we need to target. If people abuse the Naira, carry them. Not be say everybody abuse Naira, you carry some people, you leave some people. You know supposed to be like that, my country people. EFCC, may EFCC work on that aspect. But the news be say money they according to wetin the story made job for town. Now say they picking money based on the Naira abuse for Obi Kubana birthday, 50th birthday. But as it be now, they don't release the billionaire coming house, make cheap. According to them, story matter don't settle. But after that one, we don't see the issue. Could be only money. They don't grab in cases like this. They grab chief priest that year about this Naira abuse something. But I just feel say instead of all this random arrest up and down, why EFCC no do good documentary? You understand? Come outside, do good documentary. Tell us as Nigerians, say, see what you now want, see the way we are supposed to dey package the issue. Because when it comes to this Naira abuse, everybody get guilty. Some of us they squeeze Naira, we go put am for pocket. Not be only who go party they spray or the marshal and they pass. Naira abuse the Naira, all those squeezing of the Naira. So I believe say me FCC come out, or whoever have been at CBN, whoever they in charge of that aspect, make them come out, educate us. I want to they spend, I want to they hold the Naira. And one thing, I say this night arrest me FCC they do. EFCC they arrest for daytime. Why this now only night, the EFCC they grab people? Me never understand that story, but my people of the truth, make we stop with the abuse our Naira. Our Naira and our pride. Even if Naira they come and don't get value again, no. If you carry like 10K enter market now, that morgan nylon, you take you know go even reach them, they'll give you for white office say, madam, how far? You no get nylon, you no go enter, take one as even at that. We will see the respect our Naira and our pride. Everything we supposed hold. Now, one thing we're supposed to see hold there, just unfortunate decision of the country. But if at all, and people, make we hold on to the Naira, make we do what they right when it comes to that Naira. That aside, the citizens, that still be that one. But EFCC, we'll come back to what I talk earlier. Why EFCC they do arrest for nights? EFCC they forbid to arrest people for daytime because me never understand this story may they play up and down. Yeah? They go use the arrest for night. No, don't EFCC they arrest for daytime. I be EFCC they forbid to they move for the daytime. My people, that one another story. We will see a line. I don't pay a line this matter before. I see the line and again about this issue of nights arrest. My people, una do. Before I go come on forget my people, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. When we see the jollification, when we see the spread the gospel around. And don't forget to visit our website www.pidginvibes.ng. Where you hear all the latest updates for better street pigeon. Pidgin Nation, Pidgin Vibes, we dey for you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. No still also forget to visit our website. I call am again, www.pidginvibes.ng. My people, una do.